The rain falls heavy like a song of grief. The river's anger steals the golden leaf. Fields are drowning under a weeping sky. A quiet village whispers its goodbye. Oh, Mian Trung, your tears flow wide. The mountains crumble, the waters collide. Hold on tight through the stormy tide. Oh, Mian Trung, your soul won't hide. Lanterns float where ice once grew. Dreams washed away in the morning dew. Homes are drifting like paper boats. Prayers hang on to fragile hopes. The clouds won't stay forever here. Beyond the flood, a light appears. Oh, Mian Trung, your tears flow wide. The mountains crumble, the waters collide. Hold on tight through the stormy tide. Oh, Mian Trung, your soul won't hide. Each drop a story, each wave a cry. But in your heart, the phoenix flies. Through broken earth, new seeds will rise. Oh, Mian Trung, you'll survive.